Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is day 2. Yes, day 2 of planning the photo shoot. So right about now I'm offloading stuffs into the car. So come with me, let's go. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourself. I want to know you, I want to meet you. Where are you watching from? Remember guys, I said I was gonna fix my nails today, so come with me, let's go. You can see I am yet to fix my nails, so I'll be off to fix my nails after dropping off the luggages in the car, all the stuff that we need for the photo shoot. So guys, come with me, let's go, man. I didn't sleep well today, so I'm hoping to get a very good night rest, sleep early today, and of course I'll be doing my workout as well. That's why I'm wearing my, you can see, yeah, girl. Let me get this stuff. Okay guys, this is one out of the many. Okay, let me move it a little. So guys, it's a whole lot. Guys, oh my god, I just finished packing now. Like it's been a crazy day already. Like seriously. So I'm off to fix my nails right now, so come with me, let's go. As you can see my nails, see your gay. And of course I have my water bottle. I don't joke with my water. Oh, I know they joke with my water. Okay guys, so come with me, let's all go together. Let's go. Yeah, so what's up with you guys today? If you're new here, make sure that you introduce yourself. Like this video and let me know what you think. Yeah, I'm taking you guys along with me. On my photo shoot. Okay, so I'm taking you guys along with me. Regarding my photo shoots for my brand. I'm launching 5 businesses, like I said. Hey, you will not believe something. I'm adding 2 more businesses. Lord help me. So yeah, hopefully after 1 quarter of launching my business, I will definitely add 2 more. Who knows, maybe this quarter I might just decide to invest in it. Yes, I will definitely. I say the business is entering my eyes. I will do it, trust your girl. Anyways, the goal is to win, and to win big this year. So what are you guys up to? Do you have any projects that you are working on? Do you have any goal that you want to achieve? Let's talk about it in the comments. Do you have any dream, and have you been able to actualize all your dreams, all these things you've been saying? Oh, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to become this person, I want to become that person. Have you actually become that person, or are you still becoming that person? Let me know in the comments. Or do you have any win that you want to celebrate with me? Go ahead and share it in the comments. I want to read from you guys. You know me, I love to rub minds with my people. I love to share ideas. I love to know what you guys are up to, and how I can also support you as well. So go ahead and leave your comments. You just never know. And by the way, do you guys remember that I'm actually losing 17 pounds? Sorry about the noise, people are working here. Hola. Okay, so guys, the thing is, I promised myself I was gonna lose 17 pounds. Maybe I should stop talking here and leave the noise before I continue with my story. Okay, so I think it's safe to speak now. Okay, I think the noise shouldn't interfere much right now. So guys, what was I saying? Okay, so guys, I promised myself, I said to myself that I want to lose 17 pounds, yeah, before this photo shoot. And see, your girl is looking snatched. Somebody loading. But no baby loading, yes, no baby loading. Don't worry, don't ask me, don't go into the comment, don't even go there. So guys, let's just go fix my nails. Man, it's been a long day already. I have a headache right now. I know, it's from stress. So I'll just sleep when I get back, when I get back from my workout. So I'm deliberately working. I don't want to drive down there so that I can use the opportunity to walk, and not miss today's workout, So yeah, that's why I'm walking over to the salon, to the nail salon. I mean, that's why I'm walking to the nail salon, so that I can take my, daily walk. Don't mind me. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my yay. Let me see if I can show you my full outfits. I just don't like, I don't know if it has high voltage, but typically they don't expose such things here in the United States. If you were Nigeria now, Niger, you go and touch naked wire or naked, or one iron that is that is I don't know, likely to electrocute you if you touch it. So me, I'm always careful. Hey, me if you wahala. Okay, guys, so come with me. Let's go. Okay, so let me show you my full outfit here, guys. Okay, so I can actually stand here. Because got to come me, I know they shy. Let's go. Yeah, guys, I am still on my way, but then I love these flowers and I said, okay, let me just do a little bit of filming beside it. So yeah, that's Home Depot right behind me. Yeah, so I said, okay, let me just how did water get to spill on the road like this? Like, seriously? Ooh. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm actually here. We're at the mall already. So here. Yeah. Yeah. I was here sometime this week. I was here sometime this week. Hi.
You want to do right now or what?
Yeah. I told you I was coming on Friday. So. Where? Okay.
The fit done too, right?
No. Yeah. Okay.
Check your phone.
Oops. Okay, guys. Oops. Hey. I didn't make any inquiries. Don't worry, let's just do it. Okay, so
Chị vậy sao làm được? Đi vừa làm mới đi vừa quay sao làm?
một banana phải không? Dạ chứ. For my hands, I just want. I don't want the acrylic, the color acrylic. Yeah. Yeah. I want the deluxe cut. 54, yeah. Yeah. This is the colored acrylic. And then that one is a different color. Yeah, I'm gonna do a light color, but yeah. Okay guys, I am so tired. Oh my god, I just finished, with my nails and I am headed back home. Yes, I am happy with nails, but their customer service is terrible. Their customer service is terrible. Like, oh my god, that's why I didn't make any video, while I was making my nails. Actually, I'm happy with the nails, right? They got it right, but the customer service is tacky. But it's all good. I mean, at least the nails is gonna pop, tomorrow. I really love the nails, but customer service is bad. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Thank you so much for coming with me today. I remain your girl Chasis. Thank you for watching. So I'm all set for tomorrow's photo shoot by God's grace. Remember I said I had a headache, so I'm just going to have, is it breakfast or lunch, or what would I call it? Because it's already 4 p.m. It's already 4 p.m. and I haven't eaten. I only had one banana today. I always have one banana before I leave the house for energy. So guys, yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. So hang in tight, pray for your girl. It's happening tomorrow. I'll keep you guys posted. Right before we leave the house, I'll confirm I'll double check with all my models when I get home now. So we all are on the same page. Fingers crossed. I am sure, fingers crossed. I definitely know that it's gonna be good. Hola. It's gonna be good. So I'll see you guys in my next video, but till then, keep winning and keep sparkling. And if no one has told you before, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I am super proud of you. All right guys, take care of yourselves and do exploits. Go and do exploits. Bye for now. Mwah.